Everybody, I'm Tony from JuryRig Technologies, and with Black Friday right around the corner, I think it's only fair we look at prices. But just like I believe it was 2 years ago at this point, or I don't know, I'll have a correction on screen somewhere, we should compare prices from Mexico to the US, or I guess vice versa. Because in Mexico, I'm not sure, well, you might not be aware of it, but for the most part, minimum wage there is somewhere around $12 to $15, and that's per day, not per hour. So are tech prices cheaper or more expensive there? So the conversion rate we're going to be using is 19 pesos and 83 cents, which was the best dollar for a peso. Well, it was the best dollar for a peso conversion rate I was able to find. So we're going to give Mexico the benefit of the doubt in saying that that's the best case scenario, and you were able to find an exchange house that actually validated that. So to start off, let's talk about Costco. Both the US Costco and, well, the place I went in Mexico is Morelia, Michoacan, so we'll be using the stores there. And at Costco, the Canon T6 with 2 lenses costs 10,799 pesos. And if we divide that by 1983, we get $544 with 58 cents. Now, the Costco here in the United States, as well, the one that I was at, the one in Bakersfield, California, it didn't have the Canon T6 in store. The closest thing was the Canon T7. So the T7 with 2 lenses here in the US is $549 with 99 cents. So these two cameras are about $5 in difference, but of course here in the United States you're going to be getting the Canon T7, which is, well, a newer and better camera. Alright, and looking at the Nikon side, we have the D3500 with 2 lenses, and in Mexico it retails for 11,499 pesos. Divided by 1983, we get $579 with 88 cents. And here in the United States, it costs $499 with 99 cents. That's somewhere around an $80 difference. So yeah, it's clearly becoming obvious that tech here in the United States is better in terms of, well, for value per dollar. But let's say you don't want a DSLR. You might want something smaller that you can fit maybe in your car, your backpack. Well, by car I mean like probably put it on your dashboard or something. Backpack, pocket, the GoPro 7. The GoPro 7 Hero Black in Mexico costs 7,999 pesos. When you do the conversion rate, it's $403 with 38 cents. Here in the United States, it costs $319.99. And to protect your house from intrusion, we have the Ring Video Doorbell 2. In Mexico, it's 4,499 pesos, converted to $226 with 88 cents. Here at Costco in the US, it retails for $189 with 99 cents. But let's see how prices compare from Mexico to the US at Best Buy. So we have the same GoPro Hero 7 Black at Best Buy Mexico. That's 8,999 pesos. Converted, it's $453 with 80 cents, while here at Best Buy in the United States, it costs $329. But let's go something more for like the kids or more family-oriented tech, which if you want to get your kids busy and not worry about them for a few hours or probably days, weeks, years, let's talk about the PS4 Pro. The PlayStation 4 Pro in Mexico at Best Buy costs 10,999 pesos. Converted, that's $553 with 66 cents. And here at Best Buy in the United States, it's $399. But okay, you're not a PlayStation fanboy, you're more of an Xbox fanboy. Well, the Xbox One X costs 12,298 pesos, which is $620 with 17 cents. when you can also find it for $399 at retail price. Okay, but what about something smaller that's way more portable? Well, we have the Nintendo Switch, which is 8,999 pesos, which comes out to $453 with 80 cents. When here at retail, it goes for $299 with 99 cents. That's about a $153 increase. But if you own a Nintendo Switch, you probably have extra Joy-Cons to play with more friends. Joy-Cons in Mexico cost 2,699 pesos, which comes out to $136 with 11 cents. Joy-Cons are already overpriced in my opinion, so this just makes it even worse in Mexico, since here they're $79.99. Right, not so much tech, but it has some tech in it. The Amiibos, 498 pesos, coming out to $25 with 11 cents. When retail, you can find them somewhere around $12.99 or $15.99. And finally, let's say you're not a Canon or Nikon fan. You like Sony cameras. So the Sony Alpha 6500 costs 25,199 pesos, which is $1,270 with 75 cents. When here in the US, you can find it for $999 with 99 cents. So let's look at prices from Walmart for some tech that we have already mentioned. So if we look at the Xbox One S, I guess Fortnite edition, that is 5,999 pesos, which comes out to $302 with 52 cents. When you can find it in Walmarts here in the US for $279. Speaking about the Nintendo Switch again, at Walmart it's 8,799 pesos, which converts to $443 with 72 cents. When you can find it for, again, $299. So just between these two, if you were to live in Mexico and you wanted the Nintendo Switch, you can save about $10 going to Walmart. But there's no use in buying consoles without games. Unfortunately, at Walmart, I didn't see any PlayStation like in store to the two that are in the city I was at. So unfortunately, I can't get a price for that. Of course, I could have probably looked up for the PlayStation price online, but sometimes online prices are different from what is in stores. So I didn't think that was going to be a fair comparison, unless we did online and online, which maybe we should do someday. So choosing the game at random, for the Xbox One S, we have Devil May Cry 5, which is 1,259 pesos, coming out to $63 with 49 cents. Here in the United States, Walmart started reducing its video game prices by about $10. So at retail now, at Walmart's here in the US, you can find it for $49.94. And now choosing another game at random from Walmart for the Nintendo Switch, which is very popular, would be Super Smash Brothers. I guess not really random, but that is 1,449 pesos, which converts to, well, $73.07. While at Walmart, again, the $10 video game reduction, you can find it for $49.94. So I guess the question is, why is tech so expensive in Mexico, considering that their minimum wage is way extremely lower than here in the US? Of course, you can make probably the excuse, well, if you're a corporate or someone, whatever, looking at this video, first of all, thank you for finding this. But second of all, I guess you can blame the import-export taxes, but if your prices are high and your stock isn't getting any lower, there's your issue. It's because you guys have the prices super outlandishly overpriced for a lot of tech in the country that doesn't make a lot of money. Again, their federal minimum wage is somewhere about $12 to $15 a day. So, long story short, tech prices in Mexico are really overpriced if you compare them to prices here in the United States. So if you live in Mexico and you have either family or know people from the US that travel constantly or that you trust, it'd be a lot better to send them money and have them ship out the item or the tech item you want, or just have them hold on to it until they visit you next time. Because honestly, you're going to be saving a few $100s or somewhere around 30% of tech prices. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. More coming soon. That's a cut.